More concern for more communications and advocacy manager Mark Curious Minds Ghana John Tete Nuku. What you to for near her phone him or so mamma you are dear. Yenya Brema womo pa na yentie womo ni womo nidi nkomo na bo ho ba fimpe wani sen ene aware ye de won hyemu ntama oni Adom Kasee atwaso
ene communications and advocacy manager awoda Curious Minds Ghana no ora John Tete Nuku atwetwe nkomo ene wodi to jase e kamia isa wofo ni bo ho no mu a wo mama ya no woto wajeje mo be wi ase no akodi mpaso agro akofampe wani sen aba Senti Brasso sa wo form wani ekwo mama ya no ho on sanse mu itu jo wabra UNICEF Ghana any Curious Minds and movement for change eye adwumadie bia ode bo asetere mu ne mapa ho dawuro e won kwanta South Men's mu oti mantemu
ya sidie ye wo various ways of betimi dia enye sika na so e manu ko ba se akola no na wodie na ahye aware mu na ebema ohia ana sika uni to betra inti parents ya kan say me esibia no ye various ways government ya boa se na be ya nkola bia be school akola be school free education mo inti man ko manem ko ba se ebia eduane obedi inti onko school ebia atare obehye inti min ko pesa sika no man sa atare no man inti man ko school.
And Wechi Dr. Samuel Kulu, Child Protection Officer, Woyana Juma e World Vision Ghana, editor abai enim se etwa kase awodi ato sanitary pad so no onyi sebeya emaye enho beto wo mu.
The sanitary pad issue is a very sensitive issue. I mean, this is a basic need for the girl child. The girl child growing up needs to easily walk to a shop and be able to purchase a sanitary pad. For instance, why should this 21st century you have a girl not being able to go to school because she cannot buy a sanitary pad? I mean, it is weird. So I want to suggest that government will have to take up that responsibility.
Woni nyina mu assembly member wo duma se ehyiabere abato bro no so Edward Yelenyi enso editor jase wade na nitu form no wonu se emprewanyin sen dodo na eba eyese emofra no ehyase ehwe pornography ekwa aba for 10 times kokoye de emfata.
So we are talking about ourselves in assembly to enact bylaws. We have actually finished the process of the bylaws at the level of the assembly and submitted to